Hi everyone, so I'm here in Cambridge, Massachusetts, outside the world famous MIT, synonymous with innovation and learning and cutting edge technology. And one of the most famous spin-offs from MIT evolved into Boston Dynamics, synonymous with making incredible robotics for the real world. You may have seen some of the famous videos on YouTube of Spot, the robotic dog, and Handle doing some amazing robotic work in automating the factory of the future. And of course, ironic being here in Massachusetts, Boston Consulting Group, BCG, just released a fascinating report that you should all read about the factory of the future and the role of automation. And interestingly, that 52% of respondents think that advanced robotics will improve productivity within the factory, which of course, if you've ever ordered anything, for example, off Amazon, means probably cheaper and faster delivery of your product to your home or office. So that's another episode of Be the Change in 60 Seconds. Where will I see you next week?